How to download and install Snapchat on your PC or Mac. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download and install Snapchat on your PC or MacBook. Now, the first step is open any browser that you use. Once you open it, search for Bluestack. Now, as you search this, an official link of Bluestack will show up. Click on it, and here you can find the download button. Now, click on this download and your download will start immediately. Once you have downloaded it, go to the files where you have downloaded, right click on your mouse, and here click on Run as Administrator and your installation process will start. Since I've already downloaded the app, now I'll go to Bluestack and here go to your App Center. Now here search for Snapchat. Click on Snapchat and click on Install. Now, once you click on Install, your Snapchat will start downloading. Now, you can see that Snapchat has been installed and is ready to be launched. So, if you click on Launch, your Snapchat will open up. This way, you can download and install Snapchat on your PC or your MacBook. Hope you liked the video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.